Hello there. Welcome back to the final episode of De-extincting Tassie. Today's lesson, birth and rewilding in Tasmania, an awe-inspiring and tranquil paradise. Across iconic lakes and majestic mountains, echoes of an extinct creature linger. Echoes that have reverberated across Tasmania, becoming woven into its very identity. From sports teams and art to local businesses and pop culture, the thylacine, one of Earth's most extraordinary extinct mammals, has transitioned from a Tasmanian legend to a contemporary icon. What if we told you the thylacine will return from the past back to its rightful home? Thanks to Colossal Biosciences, these echoes will soon become its future. But what's Colossal's plan? Well, we'll let Tassie explain.
G'day mates, and welcome to another lesson. As you might have heard, my name's Tassie, short for Tassie Tiger. I'm also known as a thylacine, but call me what you like. If you took a squiz at my other vids, you know who we tigers are and why these boffins are going to bring us back. So now it's time you hear the plan, the real plan. Remember the fat-tailed dunnart? She'll be a mum to the very first thylacine. She's our closest living relative. Now, I know what you're thinking. How the heck could this tiny mouse that's not a mouse be mum to a marsupial like me? Well, we marsupials have the smallest babies of all mammals, so we'll fit in that pouch just fine, at least for the first few days. Then we'll outgrow it and be moved elsewhere to a larger womb that's artificial. From there, out we go into the world.
Whoa, not so fast, Tassie. You won't be ready for the world just yet.
Yeah, fine. For the first few generations, my brothers and sisters will need to grow up under supervision so that future thylacines will have real thylacine parents to help us remember and find our place in the ecosystem. Sorry, little mum, but thanks to biology, even the firstborn thylacine will know it's a thylacine, all from hardwired genetic behaviours. Just as sea turtle hatchlings know how to swim, Tassie tigers will know how to be Tassies. Once we're ready to be released into the wild, Colossal will be working with various groups and elders to rewild us back into Tasmania, and later the Northern Territory of mainland Australia. So there you have it, that's the grand plan. Now will you boffins hurry up already? I want my brothers and sisters back.
Patience, Tassie. Like any revolutionary step forward, science takes time. But the good news is, it's not if it will happen, but when. So buckle up, Tasmania. Together let's restore your past to protect your future. Let's bring your legend back where it belongs.